Imagine the day they see you
So
again.
once I've decided on the hair
And you are
colors
just,
that I'm going to use for my
well,
guest, I've got
better.
Dawn here today. I like to fill out my guest inventory sheet. So what this does is I can write down, we're doing 18 inches. I write down the brand, the color, and then how many I've pulled out. And then whatever root formulation we're using on those wefts, any dimension or glossing that we're putting through the ends. And then afterward, like I'll have how many we've used and then how many I need to return to stock. So also I have her formula for her natural hair placement, and then I'll usually just write down on the bottom where I put each specific color in the pattern that I placed it for her rose. So I'm gonna fill that out, and that way everything is covered. I know what we've used, and then when we need to replace wefts, I can always check back and see, okay, that color, we really love that. I'm gonna put those back in. So it's just all part of keeping everything organized so that the guest has the best result possible.